Hey guys, this is Thomas at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm showing you this beautiful red with blackout package 23 RSR. Stepping aboard, guys. You'll see first off it does have the blackout package. Diamond pressed red accents. Beautiful boat. Of course, this is the quad seating. And it does have the filler seat as an option on this one as well. Side-by-side captain's chairs. Guys, this boat's gonna have a 300 Mercury digital throttle and shift. Got the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade. Has the Simrad. Does have a charging station for your phone. 10-foot standard bimini top. Looking on the back, it does have the ski pylon. This boat has not been rigged yet with the engine. It does have the curved blackout ladder. Beautiful boat, guys. It does have the drop-down armrests. Plenty of cup holders. More cup holders. Guys, for more information, please visit our website or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you and have a nice day.